Yeah. This is lose 0, winner 0. This is the first game I ever had. Okay. This is Joshua Car 09. 0 winners. 0 lose. Okay, this is the first game ever. Right now, we're gonna start. 1, 2, 3. Okay. We have a day. We have a time. We have. Oh my God. Okay, this is our bird. We need this word. Okay, we need. We're gonna win. Yay! This game have a next day because the game is tie. We need to play again. Okay? Ready? Get set. Go! Okay, we have a minute. Whatever it is. It's been Joshua Miguel winner. Woo! Woo! This car, let's see a car. This is the car. Wow, this is impossible game I ever had. Wow. Okay, thanks for watching. Comment and subscribe.